Well, the Mark VIII we've found to give us uniform blends going across a wide variety of ads. Everything from where you're putting hundreds of pounds in down to where you're putting in 10 international units of a vitamin, for example.
Excellent.
And yet we still get uniform blend across, and none of the other blenders that we've ever worked with would do that.
But sure.
Bee and comb blenders will not do that at all. And
That's-
ribbon blenders especially will not. We find the ability to vary the loads within the blender and not lose efficiency in uniform blends. Also, a lot quicker turn time because we don't have any hidden areas that have to be cleaned. Everything's easily cleaned down, dried, and efficiently moved ahead. And don't worry about cross-contaminations from areas that might be hidden in a bee blender, for example. So we have products that go as high as 87 ads in the one blend, and they can go as high as several pounds to as low as a teaspoon in that blend, and still be found uniform when we do label claim checks. Every lot is sent out for label claim testing, so a full panel is run. So we'll test for proteins, vitamins, minerals. Every active that's in there is tested. We batch out because we are a health food, or actually vitamins and foods. So anytime we change from a flavor or a type of product, we have to completely clean down. So we'll run entire batches and lots. So we may blend up in a day 50, 60 blends in a day. Quite often our blenders are way far ahead of our packaging equipment. We've been running the machine for almost 8-9 years now with minimal amount of repair work.
Excellent.
That's the key, is it just works and runs and runs and runs.